Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to unlock the power of barcoding. We'll take you behind the scenes of this everyday technology and reveal how it's revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to distribution. We'll explain how barcodes work, their different types, and how to select the right barcode scanner for your needs. So let's dive in and you'll be a barcode expert in no time. Barcoding is a method of identification that has become essential to many companies across different sectors. You've probably seen barcodes in your everyday life, like on grocery store packaging, library books, and shipping labels. But did you know that barcodes also play a significant role in manufacturing, distribution, and production? They're used for tracking assets, managing raw materials in inventory, and adding efficiency and accuracy to modern products and services. So how does barcoding work? Barcodes are usually a set of narrow and thick vertical lines printed in a specific pattern, forming a rectangle. Underneath the barcode, you'll find a set of numbers, or a mix of letters and numbers. These one-dimensional codes use the pattern of black and white spaces to encode information. But barcodes aren't just one-dimensional. Two-dimensional codes, like the QR codes you can scan with your smartphone, are growing in popularity. The more detailed the physical code, the more information it can store. To read these codes, you'll need a barcode reader, which uses lasers to transmit the information from the barcode to a centralized CMMS system. This system then processes the data and can create and store reports to help businesses make better decisions. Now let's talk about the different types of barcodes. They can be categorized into three main groups: numeric, alpha-numeric, and two-dimensional. Numeric barcodes include only numbers, while alpha-numeric barcodes combine letters and numbers. Two-dimensional barcodes, like QR codes, are a square or rectangular shape showing a mix of short lines and dots. There are more than 100 different symbologies for barcodes, according to barcoding.com. For numeric barcodes, the most popular is the UPC code, commonly found on retail items. Alpha-numeric codes are less common, with the primary one known as the Plessy code, used for grocery store, shelf labeling, and library coding. Two-dimensional barcodes, which have become popular with the rise of smartphones, can encode more than 7,000 characters in one barcode. Choosing a barcode scanner can be a daunting task, given the advancements in barcode scanning technology. You need to consider what you'll use it for, how often you'll need it, and what kind of technology it needs to integrate with. When selecting a scanner, the first thing to consider is the scan engine. Most barcode scanners use laser technology, which is cost-effective and common. Laser scan engines can only read one-dimensional barcodes from close distances. Linear imager scan engines, on the other hand, capture a picture of the barcode and can read the information on a one-dimensional barcode from the image. The most advanced scan engine is a 2D area imager, which takes a picture of any barcode for analysis. The form of the scanner is another factor to consider. The most common form is the handheld gun style, but there are also stationary scanners, mobile computer forms, and fixed mount scanners. To compare scanners side by side, you can check out an online buying guide. Barcodes have revolutionized operations in many industries. According to barcoding.com, barcodes increase the speed of collecting item information, improve the accuracy of the data, and can be adopted easily and effectively. A common reader can scan a barcode in the same amount of time it takes a warehouse worker to type two numbers or letters. Plus, the accuracy is unparalleled, with one error in every 70 million scans with laser barcoding technology. Training on a barcoding reader takes as little as 15 minutes, and the return on investment in a system is realized in roughly 1 year. That's the power of barcoding. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for joining us as we explored the power of barcoding, its different types, and how to choose the right barcode scanner. Remember, barcoding is an essential tool for efficiency and accuracy in many industries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and helpful tips. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more and keep unlocking the power of your operations with UpKeep.